Hey guys, Shadow Dragon here with Team Shadow Airsoft. Today we're opening a custom airsoft gun made by Cutterized. So, gave him right under $1,000 I think for this. And I just said, AK, wood, you have at it. And well, this is it. So, had a live display the other day. Thursday night, and this is the same video. I'm recording this prior to the live, that way everyone on screen gets it. This is just a different angle of it, and you will see a lot of similar features and whatnot. But I'm gonna have Cutter's linked down in the description below, and I am giving him full credit for everything he's done to this, no matter what it is, and I love him for it. This is 100% what I want from him. This is a mystery to me. It did come damaged from FedEx. Right here is a hole I can pretty much fit my 4 fingers into. So it is what it is. I do have a camera here that will be getting the whole thing at a different angle, because the camera above was recorded for live along with a webcam. But this is the different angle, and let's get into this, guys. Hello everyone, this is Shadow Dragon with Team Shadow Airsoft, and this right here is from Cutterized. So before we get into this, I want to make sure my mic levels are good, you hear everything fine. I know there's probably a little bit of echo, a little bit of reverb, and that is because of the way I have to have mic set up for this live. So just let me know everything's good, and we can go ahead and get this started. We are going to be using this blade. This was picked out by Cutterized. So that's it right there. Audio is very low, way low. Alright, how is this? Is this better? This should be a little bit better. Storm, Cutter, Jason, Sarge, DJ, how are y'all doing? Casper, how's it going, brother? Alright, are we a lot better now, audio-wise? Alright. Now, just so everyone is aware, I am recording on 2 different cameras. One here and one over there. This video will be on a second video with better audio. Just everything be better on it, and that video is going to go through the editing process and up as well, because I'm not happy with the webcam that I'm using and just the way I have to set up the live. I like the editing process a lot better, so all this will be better. So this is from Cutter right here, okay? This box, I just told him I just want an AK, and pretty much he had everything else. I gave him just under $1,000 for it. Don't know what he used on it. He sent me a build list. I will pull up that build list as well. That way we can go and see everything on there. And I'm going to pull it up right now just so we are aware. I have not even looked at this yet. I have not pulled it up or anything. So it's right here from here. Alright, haven't looked at it. It's there. Alright, I'm going to build it over here. Alright. It is there. Alright. So, without further ado, we're going to get into it. By the way, this is why I don't use FedEx right here. This was not Cutter doing that hole, by the way. All right. All right. I believe he said this is upside down. This way here. Oh, it's heavy. Oh no, Cutter. It is upside down. All right. This came off, but hang on. So, this right here is made by Crazy Jason. If you go to my Discord, you can talk to him directly and get that made for you. But these are really good. He prints these himself. He designs them himself. But that's supposed to go right here. I will have to glue that back on myself. But here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy up. All right. So, what is stuck in it? Oh, hang on. That way. Got it. All right. It is unlocked. Cutter, it's not your fault. I know it's all FedEx. They destroy everything. But, by the way, this box was like 55 inches long. It's huge. I don't want to mess this up. Da-da-da-da. All right. Not touching anything. That is how it came. That's the original. Ooh. All right, mag. All right. That is it, guys. Damn. All right. There it is in all its glory. God damn, dude. Hold up. No BBs. Dude, this thing is gorgeous. Dude, Cutter. All right, I'm gonna just kind of do a little view here so everyone can see. But that is nice. That is very nice, man. That is gorgeous. The mag fit in just right. Zenico hand grip. Dude. I have no quarrels with this at all. No problems at all. Alright, I don't want to mess this up, so I'm going to put it down while I do this. Oh wait, hang on. I know the battery, I believe, was back here. Alright. I believe this was originally... battery is back here. I cannot let it pew. It is 11 o'clock at night. My daughter is sleeping in the room right there. Unfortunately, I cannot. I wish I could. Trust me, I want to do it right now so bad. But that's why there's another video coming out soon with all the editing and everything. Yeah, it does not fit in the frame, by the way. Well, I guess it does. It fits in the frame. Barely. If you do this. Barely. You included original wood piece. I'm happy for that. Dude, the quality of this thing is amazing. I'm assuming Yes. I'm assuming this is old. Okay, I gotta put it down to actually read this. This is Cutter Airsoft, by the way. Right here. I've already got a patch here. So, now I just got one to put on the equipment. Alright, build sheet. Jim, I'm gonna beat your butt. Alright, so here is the item. It is an LCT stamped steel AKM. Brand new, he just bought it, I believe. Internally upgraded. ASG Ultimate M135 AEG spring. Prometheus hard flat hop nub. A Unicorn Airsoft AEG 70 degree hop up bucking on an LCT 510mm 6.02mm inner barrel, and a retro arm CNC metal aluminum hop up unit. It's got a Gate Aster MOSFET and an Arcturus high torque short type neodymium motor. I know I screwed the hell out of that motor. The exterior has a LCT vented steel upper handguard, the LCT LCK steel magwell, the Avengers PBS 1 mini mock silencer, which looks amazing by the way, Ranger Army aluminized optic riser, LCT Z Series RK3 slim pistol grip, the LCT magazine assist magwell spacer, LCT upper rail system dust cover, and a NC Star 142 red dot sight. And he says to have fun. I'm gonna have fun. Dude, is that a protector on there? It sure is a protector on there. I can run it just like this. Dude, I wanna run it right now. I'm ecstatic. I am absolutely ecstatic. I've got one thing I gotta try. Hang on. Alright. Let's try this. Oh no! I can outrun that with a drum mag. But, hang on. Try PTS mags real quick. PTS mags fit great. Dude, Cutter, this thing is solid. It is beautiful. I don't see a flaw with it. I might make love with this tonight. We'll find out. But, damn. Do I have a battery inside this already? It does have a battery. I think this is backwards. Yep. It's backwards, Cutter. Which is fine. Yep, that's backwards. It is still absolutely gorgeous. Just turning it off. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it, man. You're holding the rifle backwards. Yeah, am I holding the rifle backwards? Is this how you're supposed to hold it? Just like that? Haha. Lefties don't see a reflection of themselves. You see it that way. But, yeah. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous in every way. It is going on this wall. I gotta find a spot for it though now, because I was thinking about replacing the LCT key mount I have here with this. I just gotta find some good spots for it, because this thing is a little bit longer with the mock silencer, so I gotta do some rearranging. But yeah, if y'all want to reach out to Cutter, if you go to my Discord, which I will put right here for you, go to my Discord. He is on my Discord. He's in Airsoft GI's Discord. He's on a lot of Discords, but reach out to him. Tell him, hey, I want a custom gun. Here's $1,000. Or I think he'll do pretty much anything. You can send him a gun and say, hey, I want to customize this. He's done 3, 4, 5 in the past month, I think, but he's doing amazing work. I cannot wait to go shoot this guy. I am dying to do that right now, but I can't do it. But it looks absolutely gorgeous. But reach out to him. Also, reach out to Jason. He can make you a plaque. He can make you anything you need 3D printed. But we do have that giveaway this Saturday. All right, go to teamshatterairsoft.com. $10 orders. You can also get an entry by looking at the last live I did and doing a comment on that. That gives you an entry. And all the rules are on that video as well. So if you need anything, guys, this is Shadow Dragon. I'll see you next time.